Hey boys and girls, it's Miss Dobbins again for our Wednesday math lesson. We have been learning how to add ones to a two-digit number. So far we've learned a bunch of different strategies, but we haven't had to regroup or cross over into a new decade. And so today we're going to practice those strategies that we've learned, but then see how it changes or what changes when we have to cross the decade number. So go ahead and give me that Superman pose with your hands on your hips and repeat after me. I can add a one-digit number to a two-digit number using models and drawings. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get started. Our first one looks kind of similar to our first problem the other day, but we're going to review using 10 frames to add. So we have 27 is our number that we're starting with. Oh my goodness, that's so big. Get a smaller pen there. Okay. So we have 27. So filling in the 10 frame first, I need to start with 27. So I'm going to use purple and go ahead and start doing 27. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and now 7 more. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Now, I'm adding on 4. I'm going to go ahead and get a different color. I'm adding on 4, so I need to add 4 more dots. And we talked Monday about it being so important not to just go to a different 10 frame, but to continue where I left off. So I'm going to add 1, 2, 3, and I'm out of room. So now I have to start at a new 10 frame with my 4th dot. So now, boys and girls, you might be thinking, well, how do I know my answer? We have to count the 10 frame, but instead of counting all the little dots we just drew, we can use our knowledge of 10 frames. We know that one whole 10 frame is equal to 10. So I can count by 10s and then by 1s to get my answer. So here's one whole 10 frame, that's going to be 10. Here's another group of 10, that's going to be 20. And if you'll notice, I filled this one up when I started adding. So it's going to be another group of 10, that's going to be equal to 30, and then one more. So by counting my 10s and then my 1s, I can go 10, 20, 30, 31, and that is going to be my answer. So then I just write it in under the equation. Okay? Now let's go to our next strategy. You might remember this from Monday. We use 10 sticks and 1s to add. So what is this number, boys and girls? It is 38. Very good job. Kiss your brain. So 38, we know that the 3 is in the tens place, so that's going to tell me I need 3 10 sticks. 1, 2, 3. So that would be 10, 20, 30, because we know that one stick is equal to 10. Then I have this number in the ones place, so that's going to tell me I need 8 1s. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now I have 38 with 10 sticks and 1s. Okay, so then let's look at 38 plus 5. I'm going to create 38 again using 3 10 sticks. 1, 2, 3, or 10, 20, 30. And now I'm going to draw those 8 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, if you look, pay close attention because this can be kind of tricky. I'm adding on 5 more 1s. So I'm going to go ahead and create those 5 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But now we have a lot of 1s here that I might be able to make another group of 10 with. Let's count those 1s and see how many I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I have 13 1s there. So let's see what happens if we count by 10s and then by 1s to get our answer. We would go 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. So when I count on the 1s, I get 43. But let's talk about this big group of 1s I have over here. I have 13 1s. Well, I know that with 10 of those 1s, I could make a 10 stick. So these 10 1s, I could cross out and make that into another 10 stick. So then I would go 10, 20, 30, 40 and count my 1s. 41, 42, 43. Okay, so that's how you would count on with 10 sticks and ones to a 2-digit number. Okay, now we're going to use my favorite strategy where we just count on to solve. So drawing dots to count on from the biggest number. This is what we practiced yesterday, putting that number in our head and counting on with dots. So what is the largest number, boys and girls, that we might put in our head today? First of all, the problem is 56 plus 8. So the large number I'm going to put in my head is going to be 56, and I like to circle that. 56 plus 8. So I need to draw 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and how do I get my answer? I put the large number in my head and I count on with the dots. So pointing to 56, I'm going to start counting. 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. And then you just simply write your answer down below the line. Remember, we talked about that, how an addition sentence can be written straight across or stacked like this. So using your strategies and the knowledge that you have from today, I want you to go ahead and get started on your VIP. See you tomorrow.